Latest collection of false ceiling design ideas. Welcome to our latest collection of false ceiling design ideas. Elevate your space with the perfect blend of style and functionality. Whether you're revamping your home or office, these innovative ceiling designs are sure to inspire and transform your interiors. Explore a variety of contemporary, classic, and avant-garde false ceiling designs that cater to different tastes and preferences. From minimalist elegance to intricate details, we've curated a diverse selection to suit every aesthetic. Our video showcases step-by-step guides, insightful tips, and visual inspirations to help you make informed decisions for your ceiling makeover project. Discover the latest trends, color palettes, and materials that are making waves in the world of interior design. Not just visually stunning, these false ceiling ideas are also designed with functionality in mind. Learn how to incorporate lighting fixtures, acoustic solutions, and other practical elements seamlessly into your ceiling design. Timestamps are provided for easy navigation, allowing you to focus on the designs that resonate with your vision. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or working with a professional, our collection offers something for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring design content. Join our community of design enthusiasts as we explore the endless possibilities of false ceiling designs together. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming videos, featuring the latest trends in interior design and home decor. Your dream space is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and let the transformation begin.
I'm feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. There's magic coursing throughout my veins. I don't want it to stop. I feel invincible in every way. I'ma give it all I got. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. There's nothing like this.